that eliminates either x or y. Let's go with x. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to multiply this by minus 3. And we're going to multiply this one by 2. That way, I have a minus 6x, and I have a 6x, okay? So that will do the job. So this is minus 6x minus 9y is equal to minus 6. And here I have 2 times 3x, so that's 6x. So that does the job. And 10y. 2 times 5y is 10y. And this is 2 times 4 is 8. So these eliminate each other. I have 10y and a minus 9y. That gives me y. I have 8 and a minus 6. That gives me 2. So now I'm going to substitute y is equal to 2. And I can put this in any of the equations. I'm going to go with equation number 1. So I'm going to write that in its original form. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. And wherever I see y, I'm going to put 2. So now this becomes 2x plus 3. And y should go here, so I'll put 2 is equal to 2. So then this becomes 2x plus 6 is equal to 2. So 2x is equal to 2 minus 6. So that's minus 4. I divide both sides by 2. That gives me minus 2. So my answer is x is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 2. There we go.